You want to flavor? Okay. Say hello to my little friend.
Yeah, bright. The same spot that likes the dark, so that you can know you're not from your plight. I am the ballad.
Hey, what's up, YouTube, man? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and like the video. Hey, what's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dre, man. We back in this thing with another freaking video, man. Before we get to the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. We almost at 1K subscribers, man. As soon as we hit that bit, man, big things coming, man. You feel me? Stay tuned for all that litness that's finna come to the channel, man. But anyway, man, today's video, man, I'm finna do rate my waves on Monkey App. It's gonna be a Monkey App challenge, you feel me? I think I'm gonna be the first one to do it. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I really think I'm the first one who did it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, make sure y'all like that video, man. Subscribe to the channel. And, man, let's get to this video, man. Hold up, y'all. Let me go and start screen recording and stuff. 1 and go. There we go. Okay, we on the app, man. People finna rate my waves. Oh, hold up. Gotta take the do-rag off. Yeah, we don't start, so we ain't started yet. Give me a minute. You know what I'm saying? My waves ain't all that, but you know what I'm saying? It's something. Hold on, let me put this down. What y'all think? I'm swimming. Give me a rating down below what y'all think my waves look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm swimming. You dig me? But anyway, man, let's go ahead and get to the video, man. Let's start with the first one. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Yep, we started it. Let's see what these people talking about. Turn y'all up. Hopefully we're gonna get a lot of tips, because a lot of people be skipping this shit. So hopefully we get some people, good people. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Hey, what's up? I got a question. What would you rate my waves from 1 to 10? My waves. A 9. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got me a cool little 9 right there, you feel me? She gave me a cool 9, man. That's a good start off, man. Let's see what these other people talking about. So, first one, man, we got a 9, man. Let's get it, man. So, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to get a couple reactions to my waves, man. I don't think my waves all that, though. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's up? Hey, rate my waves from 1 to 9. Rate my waves from 1 to 9. Hey, big, you know what I'm saying? She gave me a 9. You know what I'm saying? I meant to say 1 to 10 though. But yeah, man, I get it at 10 though. Let's see what this next person probably finna skip me. Of course. I don't understand why people be skipping people on here like, nigga, come on. Oh yeah. Boy, flexing on y'all. That's all I'm asking, man. Come on, can I get that? Can I just get that, please? Hey, what's up? Hey. Rate my waves from 1 to 10. A 10? Hey, that my nigga said a 10. Even though you couldn't hear him, I don't think. He said that shit real low. Cuz gave me a 10. I thought this was a whole female. Go ahead and get to these next people. You feel me? Let's see. Hey, what's up? The fuck? Hey, what's up? Hey, nigga. Rate my waves from 1 to 10, bro. Rate my waves from 1 to 10, bro. 360 spin? I bet. You know what I'm saying? A 10? Alright, thanks, bro. That nigga said you welcome with that nigga sweet. I ain't got a problem with gay people, like, dang, like, I don't like when people just, niggas just call me, like, sweet or something, like, that's nasty to me. Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question. Damn. She didn't even give me a chance. That's tough. That's real tough. So, nigga like 21 Savage. All we need is some motherfucking ratings, man. I'm finna end this video short, man, cause these people playing with me, bro. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, rate my waves from 1 to 10.
I'll give you 8.5.
8.5, but you know what I'm saying? She got me 8.5. You feel me? Little 8.5. You feel me? I'm gonna get one more for y'all, and I'm done with this video because people take too long, bro. Hey, what's up? What's up? My nigga long as shit. Damn. My nigga long as fuck. I ain't wanna ask her. She wasn't finna say nothing serious, too serious. Man. Come on now. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, rate my waves from 1 to 10. 8.5. Hey man, it ain't that many fine girls on here right now, so I'm gonna stop the video right now, man. But anyway, man, that shit was ass. But anyway, man, let me know down below what y'all thought about this video, man. If I should create a part 2, you know what I'm saying? Maybe at nighttime. That's probably when everybody gonna be on. But anyway, man, make sure you like, come subscribe to the channel, man. And let me know what y'all thought about this video, man. Cause I don't know if I want to post it, you know. So I'm not feeling it a little bit, cause these reactions was kind of boo-boo, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But anyway, man, make sure you like, come subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you turn on that notification. Yeah, man, it's your boy Dre. And I'm out.